Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin-dollar pair gained 3.1% in the last session after rising as much as 3.5% during the session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.1% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining more than 0.2%. The ROC's positive signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The Aussie-dollar pair gained 0.6% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Tesla Inc. has shortened delivery waiting times for Model 3 and Model Y cars in China to a maximum of 14 weeks, according to its Chinese website. The Bank of England's chief economist said that plans by Liz Truss for a freeze in energy bills for households and businesses was likely to force the central bank to raise interest rates despite bringing down the rate of inflation in the months ahead. A year ago, El Salvador began accepting Bitcoin as legal tender, following a controversial and much criticized decision by President Nayib Bukele. For the first few months, citizens enthusiastically embraced the new opportunity, but Bitcoin's value has plummeted since, and some experts say the move has been a failure.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Australia's trade balance will be released at 0130 GMT, the US continuing jobless claims at 1230 GMT, Australia's exports at 130 GMT. The US initial jobless claims will be released at 1230 GMT, the French imports at 0645 GMT, Japan's EcoWatchers survey outlook at 0500 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.